What does UK self-sponsorship really cost in 2025? So a lot of people hear about self-sponsorship and think, okay, maybe 8 or 10,000 pound and well, I'm good to go. Well, it's not that easy. The reality is a bit more layered than that, because self-sponsorship is not just a visa application. You are stepping into the UK as a business owner. That means acquiring a functioning UK company, applying for a sponsor license, and then getting your skilled worker visa and staying compliant with everything the Home Office expects from a licensed sponsor. Before we delve into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at EY in the Solicitors. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you. If you are wondering what UK self-sponsorship really cost in 2025, you may have heard it's just a few fees and you are good to go. Yet I have seen entrepreneurs spend tens of thousands with wrong solicitors only to face surprise bills or outright refusals. With over 15 years of experience guiding applicants through every cost and pitfall, I will break down the true cost involved, from sponsor license fees and visa application charges to compliance and support packages, so you can budget with confidence. From government fees to legal supports to long-term compliance, I will walk you through everything you need to know before you get started. Yes, there are government fees involved: your visa fees, your sponsor license, the NHS surcharge, the certificate of sponsorship, and few others. That alone can run anywhere from £4,000 to £10,000 depending on how many people you are applying for, whether you need priority service, and few other variables. So these are the variable factors while considering the total cost of self-sponsorship visa. But here is something really important. After the UK government's May 2025 immigration white paper, the bar has raised. Self-sponsorship became a little challenging. However, it's still possible, but it's now under greater scrutiny with tighter rules and much tougher compliance check. If this route is handled incorrectly without expert guidance, it's not just harder, it can be a lot more expensive to fix later, and monetary value you can always recover. But what about the time which is gone in delays and refusals? There is no getting back for that. But that's just one side of the coin, because to actually use that sponsor license properly and to make sure your business is eligible, functional, and legally clean, you need more than just money. What you need structure. You need payroll, authorizing officers, compliance system, and legal safeguards, and someone to walk you through every requirement so your application doesn't just go through it hold up for years. And that's where most people trip up. They try to piece it all together, cut corners, get a sponsor license on paper, and then it unravels an audit and refusal. That's exactly why we have built a full support system for this. We have created a comprehensive self-sponsorship package designed to take care of everything. And here is why it works so well. It has been created to take care of everything, and that even after supporting your after the visa service, when you are expected to maintain compliance as a sponsor. Begin by identifying and acquiring a UK company that is already actively trading. You may choose to work with a trusted acquisition partner such as SCL or any other broker of your preference. Please note, EY and Solicitors is SR regulated and independent. SCL assists with acquisition but is not SR regulated, and using their services is optional. This gives you a legitimate compliant route to establish your presence as a business owner in the UK. And then once you are ready, we move to the next step, which is setting up a sponsor license. Now next, stage 3 is we file your visa application, not just filling forms but building a full legal case behind it. And finally, stage 4 is the icing on the cake. We stayed with you month to month to ensure your business and visa remain 100% compliant with the Home Office rule. To build and sustain a business in the UK, financial readiness is key. We recommend setting aside around £150,000 to cover your first years of operational cost. This typically includes office rent, staff salaries, equipment and software, marketing that brings in real customers. If you are serious about running a long-term business in the UK, your financial planning should reflect that commitment. With our comprehensive self-sponsorship essential package built specially for you, we focus on what truly matters: your sponsor license, visa application and compliance journey. The legal fee for this full service package is 18,000 plus VAT. And now over the last few months, we have had so many people reach out with questions in comments, calls, consultation, and some of the concerns come up again and again. One of the big ones is, will my family member also have to pay the NSS surcharge? And the answer is yes. Every applicant, whether it's you, your dependent, needs to pay it separately. It's currently £1,035 per person per year and it's non-negotiable. Another question we get all the time is, can I really apply for ILR through this route? And the answer is yes, absolutely. If you stay compliant, run your business properly and meet the visa condition for 5 years, you can apply for indefinite leave to remain just like any other skilled workers. We have helped over 200 clients successfully make the move to the UK through self-sponsorship. We are SRA regulated, a legal 500 recognized immigration law firm, and we have been doing this for over a decade. You don't have to figure this out on your own, and you should not. Whether you are just starting out or ready to take action, we will guide you through every step, legally, strategically, and with your long-term success in mind. Reach out for a personalized assessment and let's see how your plan can work with the self-sponsorship route. And if you found this helpful, do like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. We post regular updates on UK immigration, self-sponsorship and legal tips for business owners looking to move to the UK.